A dragon masquerade appear in Biafra land. They say Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside though. Say me una no listen to the news. When Nigeria government they carry say they bomb them, they no bomb anybody and nothing happened to them. They dey gadagala and they dey kalakala. No be small thing no. Hello my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to give this channel a follow. Very, very important. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you get there, may you try to turn your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you'll be the first person to get them. Let's go and look into the Ogbenge news where we get for hand today. As it they happen, how they bring and they come Tori dey grand today, no be small thing. They say one masquerade, one dragon masquerade don appear for BiafraLand. As we dey talk now, we go play you the video. May you see those people are very, very creative. May you see the masquerade and see how it look exactly like the dragon in back of PM Simon Ekpa. We will show you the video may you watch before we come back and continue. Okay, my people, welcome back. As I watch that culture of Biafra, this is their own culture and their own way of life, and their culture is so beautiful. And so, the white man never throw out their culture, but they take away our own culture and be practicing it, joining their own. They don't even have culture. And when you come, the church, hey, don't go there. That is the evil. It's definitely show evil. Things are really happening. However, let's go and look into the matter where we get for hand today. They say one Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside. Can't talk, say nothing happen. Say may leave all those things when Nigeria Army they talk. Say they do this one, they do that one. We'll play the video. May you watch, waiting talk. Then we'll come back. We'll get a lot of story to hear today. Let us watch the video together, and may you hear by your own crow ear. Say they say nothing happen. Even a cockroach they don't even do but that side. Rather they go and destroy people resident and say that a place now be the hideout where we say where unknown government and Biafra Liberation Army they stay. May I play the video, may you watch.
I just want to respond to the news Nigeria government carry yesterday, and I'll also briefly respond to one of the idiotic follower. I allow him to be my follower because sometimes criticism is good. Yes, sometimes those criticism make us more stronger. Nigerian news report that troops arrest 3 suspected ESM or Biafra Liberation Army in Abia State. These people no get shame. Then my question to them this morning, please, you are going to help me share this message to reach them. My question to them this morning, this very morning, the 27th day of September 2023, is how come you come to Imo State and bomb Imo State and you did not arrest anybody as you claim that you are born all the hiding out in Imo State, and then you did not arrest anybody. You now go, your fighter jet now go to arrest 3 people in Abia State. Your war yesterday was in Imo State. We're bombing Olu, bombing Okigwe, but you never see anybody. What you were just bombing is people houses. You were just busy bombing, throwing bomb on the people houses. We are not living in the house. We are in the jungle. Forest belongs to us. We are in the forest. Every time I show you video, you only see house. If I went outside like that yesterday, I saw where smoke came out. I say, very far away. I have to drove my bike down there to video what happened there. We're busy bombing people's houses. And then all of a sudden, you now go to Abia State and arrest 3 Biafra Liberation Army. You should be ashamed to be, propaganding this rubbish. That is one. 2, one of the criticism.
Yeah, welcome back, my people. As you don't watch that video, see where they talk and you hear waiting this Liberation Army talk with your own mouth. But the question that I want to ask the Nigeria government and some Nigerians who are happy, yes, bomb them. The question is very simple: why we have sold our conscience for nothing? Last 2 weeks, there is a video showed a group of all those terrorists, all of them, they gather and they have meeting with the community. Where are those fighter jets? Why they no go there go bomb them? That be question we want ask. The injustice where they happen for this country, the thing too much, and nobody is talking about it. Even though you come outside to talk about it, they say, "May you better bring your head," but we will not stop us for saying the truth. We are here to fight for people. We are here to speak out for people. If Northerners can negotiate with bandits where they inside bush, where they buy people, why the people where they ask for their freedom no fit sit down negotiate with? And the people where say they be leader for our side, they no be leader. They work for those people, and they no go fit talk for us. That be the problem. They don't fit talk for us. They are working for their master. We send them to work. And things are going wrong. People are going day by day. If you come outside and can't talk, they go find a way to suppress you, to bring you down. They gathered and do a meeting with fully armed. Why they no bomb them? Why they no go bomb them? Now they want to justify this person raising them because the person can't talk. He can't go to government and say, "Governor, you people destroyed my home. What did my home do?" Maybe that home now may be a home of somebody who is somewhere, suffering for years and trying to build that home, and they destroy it and say it's the hideout of this one, that one, unknown government and the Biafra Liberation Army. All lies. The one thing is that if you like, go and buy. I even got a news today that they go and buy. They have approved to buy more to come. Yes, they approved to buy almost 12 to come. But the thing is that you cannot kill ideology. You can't kill the restoration of Biafra can never be stopped. If it will stop after the war will stop, hence people refuse to teach the history in the school, because the people need to learn what is going on. When they learn what is going on, then make a choice of where they stand. But you think with your brain that don't work, you think maybe depriving them that history in school would have stopped everything. No. When they read it, they say, so this thing happened, and one person will begin it again. The best way is dialogue. The best way is round table. The best way is referendum. It's very simple. If you like dodge it, you will still fall there. Rather, you'll be losing more people. That's what it happened. My people, I beg more to share this video. Very, very important. Share this video. And don't forget to follow and subscribe to this channel. Let me quickly give you more updates. They say for Enugu, no be small thing they happen for Enugu. They say some all those police for Enugu, they say they arrested 90-something people. So we'll be bring this update before, but they suppress and they bring a conda. I don't know why. But however, they even say for Anambra, say that man will be say he tell people maybe they come outside on sit at home day, and he be like say they say unknown government don't go carry am. And so it happen. So things are really happening. There are so many updates that were updated today, but they suppress them. But however, more will try to put up this way so everybody will understand. Okay, now we'll see you for the next update. May try to follow this page. Very, very important.